Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install VEXCODE for Project Lead the Way. So I've got a Windows 10 machine here. I'm going to open up Settings, go to System, and scroll down to About. And this is, looks like this is 20H2. Alright. So let's go to add remove programs. So app is .cpl. So there's nothing installed on here except for Edge and OneDrive. So we're going to open up Edge, and we are going to navigate to the VEXrobotics.com website. As soon as Edge gets done doing its initial setup here. Alright, confirm that, and close out of this. So we're looking for www.vexrobotics.com, and it's going to be VEXCODE download, and I'll go ahead and drop this in this link in the description also. Alright, so we're looking for VEXCODE version 5. I believe this is it right here. We got a couple ways to this is the, they have a pro version, but I think for this particular instance, we just need the VEXCODE 5 version, and they have, looks like they have an EXE and then an MSI. We're gonna go ahead and click on the EXE here and let it download. It's about 200. Nope, more than that. It is about almost 700 megs, about a little bit more than 650 megs there. We'll wait for that to finish. Alright, now we're going to open the file. You can probably minimize this. Alright, so it looks like it's going to need C++ 2017 redistributable, the 32-bit version for Microsoft Visual. So we'll go ahead and install that. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Nope, didn't. Alright, great. So now that's got that out the way, it's gonna go ahead and install VEXCODE version 5. And it looks like the MSI is actually wrapped into this EXE. Alright, so we're prompted with our first wizard. We're going to click next. We're going to agree to the license, install. It does not appear like this particular version requires any license key or activation, so that's a really good thing. Maybe for the Pro one it might be required, but for this particular version, it looks like we should be good to go right out of the gate here once we're done installing it. Alright, so we're getting prompted for some drivers to get installed, and we'll click install. This might be required. Here's another driver, LIB USB. This might be required in case there's any hardware that needs to attach to your device, just to make sure it connects properly. And we'll click finish. Doesn't look like it's gonna need a reboot, which is good, so we'll go ahead and launch VEXCODE version 5. If I refresh my control panel, add and remove programs, a few other things got added. The Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 and Microsoft Visual C++ 2017, both 32 bits were installed, and then we had the VEXCODE. So Let's go ahead and see this launch here. Hopefully we did everything right. Yep, we are good. There's our little welcome splash screen. That's fine. And we now have the VEXCODE version 5. So hope that was informative for you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and leave them down at the bottom. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.